I'm getting paid for this, right? Yeah, I know. Hey guys, welcome back to Master Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to draw your very own boss, Mr. KRABS. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Mr. KRABS from SpongeBob SquarePants. And if you must know, Mr. KRABS, he's like SpongeBob's boss and he runs the Krusty Krab. If you're interested in Mr. KRABS, be sure to smash that like button. And here's another thing, Mr. KRABS, he has this thing with money, and he takes pride in his own restaurant. Everything's like overpriced, but you get the idea. But at least for now, Mr. KRABS is a great boss, and he does everything in his power to keep the Krabby Patty formula safe. He has a daughter named Pearl, and he's like world's cheapest crab of the year, and he's actually a really generous employer. He does come up with ways to get more money, but you get the point. But all his ideas always end up in a total bust, and he has to start all over just in case. And he's always making a let's get started. Anyways, here's his. You see me draw most of him. Mr. KRABS, Mr. KRABS. There we go. There we go. If you must know, and here's another fact about KRABS. His arch enemy Plankton, he's always trying and steal the Krabby Patty formula, but he manages to save the formula just in time. I hope this show gets rebooted. Everybody loves SpongeBob. Alexa, play songs sung by Mr. KRABS.
Shuffling songs by Mr. KRABS on Amazon Music.
Fishermen go out to sea, where delicious fishies be. They cast their nets in hope of eel or cod.
There it is.
In pond and lake and stream, 'tis every angler's dream to bag the big one armed with reel and rod.
There we go.
Tuna, perch, and halibut and flounder, snapper, chub, and schools of fat one-eye. The one that got away's 100 pounder.
And done. That is how you draw Mr. KRABS. I hope you guys enjoyed this, because this episode is gonna cost you this thing is worth $1,000. Did you say money? Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll let you guys know what I'm gonna draw you guys next. Oh, and there we go. Mr. KRABS wanted me to sign his autograph. And I hope you guys enjoy this. Oh, and for this video, that'll be $20.